how to uninstall WordPress site in GoDaddy saves storage space. So let's start the video tutorial. Once we log into GoDaddy hosting account, we need to go to the My Products page. And in this page, we need to scroll down to the web hosting section and click Manage button. Next in this page, we need to click cPanel Admin button, which brings us to the cPanel settings page in GoDaddy. Next, we will need to click and enter WordPress section under Applications. And in this page, we need to click My Applications tab. Here, all the WordPress site installed in GoDaddy can be found. Select the website that we need to uninstall and click the hamburger menu icon. Next, we need to click the Uninstall tab. Again, we need to confirm uninstalling the WordPress site, as once deleted, the site will be lost forever. And done. The WordPress site is no more. It has been completely uninstalled from GoDaddy. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video, leave a comment below, and share it with others. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more simple and helpful tutorials.